Here we go. Today we're going to make a video to change this oil filter on the vacuum pump. Okay, now we turn it on. As you can see, it's very dirty. Now we're going to put this oil filter on it to change this one. This is oil filter, and you will see it can make the sound is much lighter and there is no oil. Make your workbench much cleaner. We turn it on again. As you can see, there's no more oil at all and the sound is much lighter.
Did you like Wider Techie channel?
Yes.
Please subscribe and press bell icon.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.